Solutions and reagents. Introduction. Various chemicals are used for the preparation of solutions and reagents in the laboratory. A chemical is a substance produced in a biochemical process by various manufacturers. It is the known of composition. Example: sodium carbonate, potassium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, glacial acetic acid, etc. A solution. It is a combination of two substances, a solute and a solvent. The dissolved substance is called solute, and the most of the times the substance present in a relatively greater proportion in the solution is called the solvent. A reagent. This term can be applied in the particular to any chemical compound or mixture of the compound, usually in solution. The employed in chemicals analysis or for the detection of biological constituents. Stock solution. A stock solution is a concentrated solution from which different types of working solutions can be prepared by simple dilution. Acid or strong acid. Acids are proton donors and base are proton acceptor. And strong acids. Strong acids are completely ionized in solution and strong alkalized. These compounds are dissociated only a limited extent. The example of strong acids are hydrochloric acid H2SO4 HNO3, and strong alkalis are NaOH and KOH, and weak acids and alkali weak acid. These dissociated only a limited extent, that are acetic acid, oxalic acid, and weak alkalis, that are ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and sodium carbonate. The preparation of reagent. General consideration. The reagents are required in laboratories for qualitative and quantitative tests involving photometry, electrophotometry, immunochemical, and electrophoretic techniques. Although nowadays diagnostic kits manufactured by various companies are used in various pathology laboratories, a laboratory worker should know how to prepare various types of reagent. Basic requirements. Number 1 is solid and liquid chemicals. These are commercially available in the following forms. Number 1 is ANALA-R, that is analytical grade chemical. GR, guaranteed reagent. These are highly purified and are mainly used for the preparation of quantitative reagents and also for the preparation of other standard reagents such as normal and molar primary standards. For the general purpose of where ANALA-R and guaranteed reagent chemicals are not necessary for purify within certain limits is required, and general purpose chemicals can be used. Laboratory reagents or lab products are mainly used for the preparation of quantitative tests such as Benedict's reagent and Fauti reagent, etc. Lab chemicals are of a degree of purified making them suitable for general laboratory use. Number 2, solvent. Reagent grade water is used for the preparation of most of the reagents and solutions in the laboratory. For the preparation of certain specific reagents that required electrode and hormonal studies, glass distilled water is used. The other solvents which may be required for glacial acetic acid and isopropanol and chloroform, ethanol, etc. Number 3 is glassware. Conical flask 100 ml, beaker 1000 ml, measuring cylinder 1500 and 100 ml, volumetric flask 100 ml or 1000 ml, funnel and glass rod, and desiccator. Instruments. Number 4, instruments. Physical balance and analytical balance, and hot plate and magnetic stirrer. Number 5, other reagents. A wet box, rubber gloves, and safety spectacles. The various types of solutions and reagents. Normal solutions, molar solutions, percentage solutions, buffer solution and buffered substrate, indicators, and primary standards and other complex reagents.